return after these messages.
I will not switch.
Then Vicky Oxendine compared her regular waist brand diaper to super absorbency-sized Pampers with the blue waist shield.
They're fantastic. They kept them so much drier. The sheets are dry, everything. The blue strips seem to make the difference.
We call it the blue waist shield.
All of the front of his pajamas used to be sopping wet in the morning. Not anymore. Pampers! Oh my goodness, you're kidding!
Pampers, the only diaper with the blue waist shield, keeps babies drier from top to bottom.
Yeah, switch back to Pampers, huh? Yeah, we are.
Still can't decide on a gift for the whole family? Head for Sears and save $500 to $200 on all Kenmore microwaves, from compact to mid-size to full-size. Imagine saving $200. Save $500 to $200 on all VCRs with features like stereo, wireless remote, and programmability. Fact is, at these prices, you might want to suggest one of each.
There's more for your life.
Merry 100th Christmas.
We now return to a Chipmunk Reunion. We'll return after these messages.
A Chipmunk Reunion, sponsored in part by Pringles Potato Chips. Now you can have your Pringles 5 delicious ways: regular, light, rippled cheesums, and sour cream and onion.
Good morning, Pop Ditches.
Chips.
Chips? I love chips. I've got the fever and the flavor of Pringles.
The fever for the flavor of a Pringles.
It's the deep fried taste. It's the crispy crunch. That's Pringles, please. We need a bunch. We've got the fever for the flavor of a Pringles.
It's the deep fried taste.
It's the crispy crunch.
You guys want the fever for the flavor of a Pringles.
Try today's Pringles.
Okay, into the showers. Let's build body with the Pro 1-2. The conditioner is new.
One shampoo in, body in, fullness in.
Prel Body.
Two,
New Prel protein-enriched conditioner.
conditioner in, protein in, condition in, control in.
That's Prel Body.
Full body shampoo.
And new Prel conditioner. It's my bodybuilding system for hair.
Next, join us for some magical family fun with Kissyfur, a brand new little pal you're gonna love. Then it's Christmas with a Disney touch. It's Mickey's Christmas Carol, a delightful family holiday special for your best Christmas ever.
Hear ye, hear ye. Family Ties is now on every weekday morning.
What are you, the town crier?
So if Thursday nights aren't enough, catch Family Ties weekday morning starting Monday.
Good pot for you.
No.
Cocaine?
No thanks.
Yo, my man, you want some nudes? No way.
If someone offers you drugs, instead of saying something you really don't mean, just say,
No.
Got some sensimillion for you. No.
No.
no big production number. Just say,
No.
you'd be surprised how well it works.
Pot?
No.
Of all the terrific things in America, perhaps the best thing of all is opportunity, and that's where Junior Achievement comes in.
What do you say in the USA? Make it the Junior Achievement.
We now return to a Chipmunk Reunion. We'll return after these messages.
You're a Toys R Us kid, so come on and join us.
Jeffrey.
We're going to the magic world that's called Toys R Us. It's a magical land, so where else would you go? When everything's a Toys R Us.
And prices are low.
It's new and hot.
It's a toy they've got.
and the prices are hard to beat.
You can touch the whole world, but Toys R Us kids know it's the one and only place to go.
More games. More toys. Oh, fun.
It's the world's biggest toy, so let's go.
It's time to brush, you're in a rush, cause brushing's such a chore. But the new Crest Puff will make you jump. It's like you never brushed before.
Hooray, hooray, there's a neat new way to get a great fresh checkup. Crest Puff, hooray! Hooray, hooray,
Crest Puff's here today.
you get a great fresh checkup. Crest Puff, hooray!
a Chipmunk Reunion.
Coming up, meet Kissyfur, a brand new little pal you're going to love next. Then it's the joy and happiness of Christmas with that special Disney touch in Mickey's Christmas Carol tonight. And starting tomorrow morning, laugh with the Keaton family on Daytime Family Ties. Let's all be there.
Monday to Toe Tap and TV's Bloopers with practical jokes on Dallas's Ken Kercheval and Remington Steele's Doris Roberts, plus Bo Derek home movies.
On a special Christmas Highway to Heaven,
You trust money, not friends.
Jonathan becomes the ghost of Christmas future to save a modern-day Scrooge from a grave situation Wednesday.
I failed again. How about me, Master?
Hi there. My name is Teddy Ruxpin. How are you today?
Fine.
Well then, I would like to
Teddy Ruxpin, the world's first animated storytelling bear. Now available at stores everywhere.
Here comes the dog who stopped the war. Take off with the gooniest gang of rascals who ever started a war.
You out of your mind?
Plus special featurette, Paul McCartney's Rupert Bear and the Frog Song. See The Dog Who Stopped the War and featurette Rupert Bear, both rated G.
Now showing at Green Tree, Dixie, Jeff Plaza, and Village.
From all of us at Punky Brewster, happy holidays.
NBC Television Network.
Happy holidays from NBC.
Kissyfur will return after these messages.
This is Thruster, Psychill's Renegade GoBot headquarters. Your parents put it together, 4 AA batteries not included.
It's Psychill!
GoBots sold separately, Thruster can even catch moving GoBots.
I won't stop until everybody in is captured. Leader 1 won't stand for this. Neither will you, Scooter.
Thruster, Renegade GoBot headquarters. Psychill and Scooter each sold separately, new from Tonka.
Please don't eat all the morsels. Please don't eat them all. 'Cause if you eat all the morsels, your cookies will be bald. Nestle Toll House morsels, so chocolatey and rich. But save them for the cookie, or your cookie will look like this. Please don't eat all the morsels. You'll just have to wait. 'Cause it's Nestle Toll House morsels that make the cookies taste so great.
We now return to Kissyfur. Kissyfur will return after these messages.
A double pleasure's waiting for you. A double pleasure from Double Mint Gum. A double great feeling, making you realize Double Mint's the one for you. Double fresh, double smooth, double delicious to chew. A double pleasure is waiting for you. Double Mint Gum. A double pleasure is waiting for you. Double Mint Gum.
The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Santa Claus.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mamma in her kerchief, and I in my cap, had just settled down to a long winter's nap.
Dad, it still works.
Reach out and touch someone.
Next, It's joy, it's happiness.
Yes, Christmas.
With that special Disney touch, it's Mickey's Christmas Carol, the classic story of the season that will warm your heart, starring all your favorite Disney characters. A delightful holiday family special for your best Christmas ever.
And a bah humbug to you. Yes.
The word is out. Family Ties is coming to weekdays.
I haven't seen him this excited since Reagan was elected.
And everyone's invited to the Keatons for laughs.
Oh, it'll be nice. Just the family at home.
Oh, great. Now we're going to be stuck here together.
So if Thursday nights aren't enough, catch Family Ties weekdays starting Monday.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
You know, the world's changed a lot since I went to this high school. It's a faster track with a lot more competition. But over 50 million people have a hard time competing in today's job market because they've given themselves a handicap. They didn't finish high school.
Hey, look who's here. Hey, Ed.
If you're thinking about quitting school, this free booklet will give you some good reasons for staying in. It's called The High Cost of Dropping Out.
For your copy, call this toll-free number.
Don't start your future with a handicap.
All right.
We now return to Kissyfur.
It's a world of celebration, joyful Yuletide expectation, where peace and love are felt throughout the land. It's an M&M's chocolate candy season, moms and Santas know the reason. The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand. All the world loves M&M's, they're pure milk chocolate joy for everyone.
M&M's chocolate candies. The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Come with me to a place you'll be glad that you did. And so much more, oh, what a store with Toys R Us kids.
Guess what we want, Jeffrey?
You want Cabbage Patch Kids, and everything Cabbage Patch is at Toys R Us. We've got the most Cabbage Patch Kids. Cabbage Patch Kids World Travelers. Collect them all. Wow. The Show Pony and Kid. The whole world of Coleco's Cabbage Patch Kids at out-of-this-world prices.
It's the world's biggest toy, so let's go!
Coming up, it's the joy and happiness of Christmas with that special Disney touch in Mickey's Christmas Carol, the classic story of the season that will warm your heart. Starring all your favorite Disney characters in the delightful holiday family special, Mickey's Christmas Carol, next. And starting tomorrow morning, laugh with the Keaton family on Daytime Family Ties.
It's a Toe Tap and TV's Bloopers with practical jokes on Dallas's Ken Kercheval. And Remington Seals' Doris Roberts, plus Bo Derek home movies.
On a special Christmas highway to heaven,
You trust money, not friends.
Jonathan becomes the ghost of Christmas future to save a modern-day Scrooge from a grave situation Wednesday.
I failed again. How about me, Master?
Hi there. My name is Teddy Ruxpin. How are you today?
Fine.
Well then, I would like to tell
Teddy
you
Ruxpin,
a story.
the world's first animated storytelling bear. Now available at stores everywhere.
Herbert, pay attention.
Now Herb's former teacher with a basic lesson for Herb.
This is Burger King, Herbert. Let's open the door. See Jane. See Jane smile. See Jane take your order for a plain broiled Whopper. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Now taste. All right, Herbert, let's review. Burger King, door. Jane, sizzle, Whopper, taste. Run, Herbert, run.